Old woman and Catherine. Dense fog there is today, spreading grains for the birds in the courtyard of the house. The old woman talks. The life is not read in the schools. So many pains, so many medicines, and a little darkness. Catherine, I'm afraid. Shall I pass away, Catherine? This year, I'm done with everything in life. John is a doctor in New Orlando. He always dreamt of serving the humanity. Lisa is a wanderer. She always calls me up from the cities not known. The one who brings the flowers on Mother's Day might turn back this time for good. Catherine, Catherine, the old woman talks in the courtyard of the house to a little doll playing almost 70 years ago.